chapter number 7 of book Behind, and the name of chapter is Packing, and it is written by Zaram K. Zaram. Now, packing, I think that this word is known to everyone, isn't it? Because packing is an activity which we do when we go out for a trip, sometimes for getting a stray in our relatives' home, or sometimes want to go to visit some places, and that is another method where we are going. But before going, then we pack something. This can be some eatables, some clothes, dresses, and some other useful and needed material. So now in this chapter, we will know then whose packing is going on, who is doing this, and why this packing, and which kind of packing has done by which kind of people. Very interesting story this is. But before knowing about the story, let's have a look on the author of the chapter. This chapter, as I told you, it is written by Zaram K. Zaram. And the complete name of Zaram K. Zaram is Jalan Kelapa Zaram. And he is known as English writer and humorist. And he was born on 2nd May in 1859 in Canmore in United Kingdom. And he was died on 14th June in 1927 in Northampton in United Kingdom. And he got married with Georgina Elizabeth Henrietta Stanley Maris. And he was having children by name Robina Zell. Now students, let's have a look on the main characters of this chapter. Actually, only 4 main characters are there in this story. First character is Zaram. Zaram is narrator itself, who is master of packing, who considered and who thinks that he is master in packing. It means he is having all the qualities who can do packing in a perfect way. So he is overconfident about his packing. Now Harris is a friend of narrator who is very lazy, who always avoids work. But now here he has to give contribution in packing. So what was his performance in packing? We will see in story. Now next character is George. George is another friend of narrator, then who also gave contribution in packing. Montmorency, a very unique character of this story, who is a pack dog, and according to him, then he wanted to give contribution in packing, but he spoiled the things. Actually, he was irritating George and Harris, who were trying to do packing. So Montmorency was disturbing the things by sitting on the things, and he was making them here and there. He was spreading them, and in this way he was disturbing them and enjoying itself. But in this way he was creating and increasing problems for all these people as Zaram, Harris and George. Actually students, Zaram K. Zaram, then who is known as the famous humorist. And in this story, through this story, then he has created a great humor. This story is a part of a novel, and the novel's name is Three Men in a Boat, which is written by Zaram K. Zaram. And in this novel is completely about a boat trip which was done by these 4 characters of the story. In this, 3 friends here, Zaram, Harris and George, they were suffering from a lot of work, and they were feeling not well physically and mentally, as they got frustrated with their daily routine. So they decided to go on an outing so that their mind would be diverted and they would feel better. So they were thinking about where to go, how to go. So some were giving hints, or someone was giving advice to go and visit hill station. Someone was saying to visit pilgrimage. So finally they decided to go and visit the natural beauty by making a sea trip, and they make it finalized it. And now the question arises to do packing, because now here as they were going on a long trip, so they would need a lot of things like edibles, dresses and all these. So they decided to make a packing, to do packing. But now here three of the characters, like as human beings, as Zaram, Harris and George, three of them were having different qualities. As Zaram thought himself to be a master and perfect person in packing, but George and Harris, even they were not greatly interested in packing, but still they thought that they could do better than Zaram. So this chapter, packing, is an extract, is a part from the Three Men in a Boat, that novel. This novel, Three Men in a Boat, is about the complete sea trip done by Zaram, Harris, George along with Montmorency. So this chapter is only an extract about the packing taken from that novel. This is completely about the packing done by these three characters along with the Montmorency. Because here Montmorency, even he was a dog, but he was also having the same importance as other three characters, because he was also going on this trip. So four of them were doing packing in a very funny way, and how they did this packing in a perfect way and in a very funny way. Through this story, the writer has presented great humor by adding many funny tricks and by adding many funny points, that as how they were trying to do packing and how contribution by Montmorency was given. So students, now today we have seen the introduction of the author of this chapter, packing, as Zaram Zaram, who is known as an English writer and humorist, and he is the writer of novel Three Men in a Boat. And this chapter, packing, is an extract taken from that novel. And there are four main characters in this chapter: Zaram, who is the narrator of the story, Harris and George, who are his good friends, and Montmorency, who is a pet dog. So now in next session we will read the story of this chapter. Very interesting and humorous story it is. So I hope you would like a lot. So students, take a reading of this chapter so it would be easy to understand. In next session we will explain the story. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you very much.